Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I will show you how to change phone number in your Credit Karma. So make sure you watch this video till the end. So first thing you need to do is open up your Credit Karma app and then log in your account. After this, you need to click on this three-line menu from the top. Then from this screen, you have to scroll down and then under the general section, you need to click on this settings option. After that, you need to tap on this contact and security option. Then you will see many details such as email, phone number, passcode. So to change your phone number, you need to click on this edit button right next to the phone number. So just click on this edit button. Then this will take you to this screen where you need to enter your new phone number and then click on continue. Then they will send a verification code to this number. So you just have to enter this verification code and then your number will be changed. So I hope this video was helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel.